Hello and welcome. Here's how to connect your Windows 10 laptop to your LG Smart TV using the HDMI cable. First off, plug one end of the HDMI cable into the back of your TV. Grab the other end of the cable and plug that into your laptop. Once connected, your laptop display will be mirrored onto your LG Smart TV. If this doesn't appear straight away, grab your remote control, press the home button, go across to the home dashboard, and some options will pop up. Go across to the HDMI input you used. Mine's labeled PC. Press that and you will see the mirrored display. You can, however, change this if you so wish. What you'll do is grab the cursor and right click on the desktop in a clear space. Go to Display Settings. Once this opens up, scroll down the right-hand side and you will see multiple displays. Select this drop down and go to Extend these displays. We can click on Keep Changes. And now we have the option to scroll back up and you'll notice that we have monitor 1 and monitor 2. Now, if you're not sure which one is which, just click on Identify and number 1 appears on the laptop and number 2 appears on the screen. So what this currently means is that the laptop screen, as far as the computer is concerned, as this setup is concerned, is on the left-hand side and the TV is on the right. And you can see that as I move the mouse over number 2 on the laptop, across to the right-hand side, and you can see the cursor there on the left. Now, if you would like to have the monitor and or the TV and laptop in a different layout, simply press and hold and drag a screen where you would like it. So now the number 1 screen, which is the laptop, is directly below the TV. So I will apply that. And you'll notice, rather than going to the right, if I use the cursor and go straight up the screen, it appears on the television screen. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so that is how you connect your Windows 10 laptop to your LG Smart TV. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you best of luck.